you're someone who's ever wondered ki what is another good guru mantra to pick a good stock, then this video is just for you. Hi, my name is Anita and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Slate with Anita. Thank you so much for catching me this Monday, and I just wanted to share what is a good way to buy stock. Well, I personally feel कि stock एक अच्छा stock खरीदना एक अच्छे सब्जी खरीदने के बराबर है. No, it's not even a joke, because जैसे शेफ लोग जब सब्जी खरीदते हैं तो they look at many parameters, right? सब्जी को हर तरह से घुमाएंगे, उस कितना क्रंची है, ऑर्गेनिक है, पेस्टिसाइड्स है, उसका सोर्स कहाँ से है, कलर क्या है, टेक्सचर क्या है, वो किस डिश के लिए उस सब्जी को यूज़ करना चाहते हैं. All these things are something that actually we might be considering when we even buy a simple vegetable, right? Stock का भी कुछ ऐसा ही सीन है. लेकिन अब तक हमने क्या सुना है? Whenever we look to buy a good stock, we should probably look at considerations like price to earnings ratio, founder's profile, founder's business principles, founder's financial strength या company का financial strength, industry potential, sector growth या sector growth trends. So price to earnings, I think I already mentioned. So all these things are what we are advised to look at while picking up a good stock. However, एक चीज़ जो कि आई थिंक आजकल इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजरी एंड रिसर्च फर्म्स बहुत स्ट्रांगली रेकमेंड कर रहे हैं, वो है लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. येस, यू हर्ड मी राइट. अगर कोई स्टॉक है एंड वो पिछले 10-15 साल से एग्जिस्टेंस में है, then if they have been consistently profitable over the last decade, then probably they are a very good stock to buy. क्यों? Very simple reasons. Probably they are very good at their management, cash flows भी, strategic management, people management, expense management, cost control, everything. They probably have got the dynamics right, because of which they may enjoy a good credit rating. They might have differentiated product offerings, they may have a great brand, they may already have a great dominant market share, plus they also have very healthy balance sheets. तो इन सब reasons के वजह से ही पॉसिबल है कि जनरली लॉन्ग टर्म प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी मिलती है. So yes, you might want to consider researching about the profitability of a stock before picking it, right? Now generally लिखा जाता है कि past performance is not an indicator of future returns. So for those of you who are saying that, I agree that too. इसलिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, whenever we are looking at profitability, rather than look at the topmost companies, because topmost companies को अगर हम select करते हैं तो कभी कभी इन्वेस्टर सेंटिमेंट या हम लोग एज इन्वेस्टर्स स्टॉक प्राइस को कुछ ज़्यादा ही आगे तक बढ़ा देते हैं, विच मेक्स द स्टॉक अननेसेसरली एक्सपेंसिव समटाइम्स. तो वी कैन प्रॉबली लुक एट स्लाइटली अंडर द रेडार स्टॉक्स बट who have got great profitability under the large capitalization, mid capitalization and small capitalization brackets. So yes, next time you want to buy a winning stock along with other potential factors, do check their profitability, right? So yes, let me know what your experience is. In my caption I have probably put a couple of stocks names. If I invest in something else, I'll also let you know about that. If there's anything more you want to know, you can block a call with me using the Calendly link, and I'll see you next Monday. You have a lovely week ahead. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please do like, comment and share further. God bless. Take care.